Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In this third part of the soya series, I have come up with a recipe to make soya milk at home. If you are someone who likes soya milk and you have been buying soya milk at the stores, then this is the video for you. This is a simple way of making soya milk. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make 1 liter of soya milk, you will be needing at least 100 grams of soya seeds. So the process would be to soak soya seeds in water. You should be soaking the soya seeds for at least 8 hours or overnight to make the soya milk. Soya milk is very good for your health. It is rich in protein and low in saturated fat. It can lower the risk of diabetes and heart disease. It can lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol. Since it doesn't contain any fat, it is very good for people who are obese and who are trying to diet. This is a non-dairy product, that means the milk is vegan. So if you are somebody allergic to dairy products, then this milk can substitute that. You can make various dishes. You can drink it as milk, you can make tofu, and you can make curries out of this. And you can also mix it with your wheat flour, make a dough and make chapatis or rotis, and you can consume the protein. If somebody who wants to eat more protein for their health, then this is the best substitute if you are not consuming non-veg, etc. So once you have soaked it for 8 hours or overnight, this is how it looks. The seeds have soaked up enough water and it has become thick. As you can see, the top layer of water has some froth. That means it has soaked well. So you need to wash off all that froth until the water comes out clean and the seeds are ready to be made into milk. So once you squeeze it and you can make out that the seeds are soft, it can be squeezed in between your fingers only. So that is the time this soya seeds are ready to be ground into fine paste. So to make the milk, I have taken a mixer jar and I'm going to add all the soaked up soya seeds and I'm going to grind it into fine paste. So here, as you can see, the paste is quite thick. I have not added excess water into this. So you can use this paste also in your rotis. You can mix it with rotis and eat. You can just squeeze out the milk and add it in your curries. But to make the entire milk, 1 liter of milk, this is the process. So you just transfer it into your bowl and add enough water so that you can dilute this paste. I have added at least 1 liter of water to this 1 bowl of soya paste. Mix well and see to it that there are no lumps. Remove the froth which is formed on top layer of this milk. Once you have mixed well, you need to strain it. Strain it at least twice so that you can remove all the coarse product or coarse residue of this soya mix. Add enough water to this residue again to squeeze the excess milk which is left over in the residue. Squeeze out all the remaining extract from the pulp, and if you need to strain it again, use a clean cloth so that even the minute particle or minute residue is removed. As you can see, through the cloth I can squeeze out remaining thick residue of this soya. Next, transfer into a cooking bowl and place it on the stove and allow this milk to boil. If you find excess froth coming up, then you can remove that also. Keep stirring the mixture so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you leave it for even 2 minutes without stirring, then it may burn at the bottom. As you can see, there is little bit of froth which is collected, and I'm going to remove that also. After 5 to 10 minutes of cooking or boiling this milk, you need to put off the stove and allow it to cool. Once this is cool, this milk is almost ready. Before using it, you can stir it once again if you find any lumps or any residue left over. So for that, I'm taking a strainer where I have a clean bowl, and I'm going to strain it into this bowl, and the milk is ready. So I can transfer this into a clean glass bottle and store in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 days. Since soya milk also contains calcium, it can prevent osteoporosis, it can boost metabolic activity in the body, improve digestion, it can keep bone health in good condition, manage the weight and diabetes, it can help prevent heart attacks and strokes, it can improve blood circulation and keep your heart healthy. So this is very good for your overall health. But if you are suffering from thyroid problems, then you can avoid the milk. So try this and see how it works, and if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.